Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to do BBQ sauce at home. First, let's gather our foundational ingredients. You'll need about 1 1/2 cups of ketchup, 1/2 cup of apple cider vinegar, and 1/4 cup of brown sugar. Don't forget your spices: 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder. Having everything prepped makes the process smooth and enjoyable, setting the stage for a delicious homemade sauce. Now, let's get cooking. Pour all your measured ingredients into a medium saucepan. Stir everything together really well, making sure the brown sugar dissolves and the spices are evenly distributed. Once combined, bring the mixture to a gentle simmer over medium-low heat. Let it cook for about 20 to 30 minutes, stirring occasionally. This simmering time is crucial for the flavors to deepen and for the sauce to thicken to a perfect consistency. This is where you can truly make the sauce your own. After simmering, taste your creation. If you prefer it sweeter, add a bit more brown sugar. For more tang, a splash of extra apple cider vinegar works wonders. Want some heat? A 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper will do the trick. You can also add a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce for an extra layer of savory depth. Feel free to experiment with different spices to find your signature flavor. Once your delicious homemade BBQ sauce has reached its perfect consistency and flavor, let it cool down completely. This is important before transferring it to storage. Pour the cooled sauce into an airtight container or a clean glass jar. It will keep beautifully in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks, ready whenever you need it. Enjoy your incredible sauce with grilled chicken, ribs, pulled pork, or even as a tasty dipping sauce for fries. Happy cooking!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.